Friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all? Yes, today is Saturday, right? 23rd of January 2021. Saturday, ninth class student. We'll continue the lesson, the ham radio part 2. We have studied according to the communication skills, communication language. Nowadays it's WhatsApp, Facebook, and our social media, isn't it? Earlier it was radio, so the importance of radio for weather forecast, for news, cyclone, all is. On September 2nd, 2004, ham radio was used to inform weather forecasters with information on Hurricane Francis live from the Bahamas. On December 26th, there are two incidences in September, then in December. It was weather forecast, and the importance of radio is available in this lesson. On December 26th, 2004, an earthquake and resulting tsunami across the Indian Ocean wiped out all communications with the Andaman Islands except for an expedition that provided a means to coordinate relief efforts. Recently, amateur radio operators in the People's Republic of China provided emergency communications after the 2008 Sichuan earthquake, and US hams did similar work following hurricane. But what is hurricane, children? It is something like water, flood, cyclone, earthquake, something like that. Hurricane, storm of flow of water, very fast speed. But cyclones, earthquakes, or floods are not everyday events, isn't it? Sometimes it happens in months or years, and there will be a lot of disaster, lot of what you can say loss of lives, properties, isn't it? But cyclones, earthquakes, or floods are not everyday events. What we see every day is that someone in the remote place is struggling for life, awaiting the arrival of an essential drug from another town, or someone has lost a dear one because medical attention could not reach him on time. Understood? Earlier, doctors were not so many, medical facilities were not this highly sophisticated surgeries, and isn't it? Were not there, hardly seen, isn't it? In big cities, big countries, it was there. Now it is available everywhere for everyone. Got it? Reach him on time. All this happens because most often communication is slow or impossible. Is it true, isn't it? Hams have special section to handle medical and other emergency traffic on daily nets. How to become a radio amateur? There was even radio FM. I think you all know, isn't it? What we do on that, it is an entertainment program, but some knowledge also we'll get from it, isn't it? This day that happened in this country, so this day is remarkable, right? So what happened? How do we become radio RJ? We say, isn't it? VJ or RJ, isn't it? We become announcers. We have to fluently. We have to speak English, isn't it? We have to know the language properly. The whatever is the latest information, knowledgeable, entertainment about what is happening on and around in the world currently. Not that old news and all. Recent news you should have, so that you can become radio announcer, amateur, FM, or radio. What do you say? RJ, right? Amateur radio operators have to qualify in an examination conducted by Ministry of Communications, Government of India, and obtain license for operating or possessing a radio station. Is it clear, children? We have then examination is there. It's not that anyone can become like that. Any individual above the age of 12 is permitted to appear for amateur station. Fifth, but like 12 years means the child which is in 7th or 8th grade is eligible, 12 years child, for becoming an individual who can speak on amateur. Right? Operator license examination, and no education qualification is prescribed. It's not necessary to be educated, but you should be able to write this exam, qualify. It takes just 2 months, say 2 hours a day training, okay, to become eligible for the examination. One should qualify a simple test conducted in 3 subjects, namely Morse code, transmission reception, communication procedure, and basic electronics. It takes how many time, children? 2 months, like 2 hours a day. The training then If you qualify in that exam, there will be a small training for it. Okay. What test has what all subjects, dear? Morse code, transmission and reception, something like a radio only, communication procedure, basic electronics. The officer in charge, wireless monitoring station, Department of Telecommunications, under Ministry of Communication, Government of India is the authority for conducting these tests in their own town, provided there are sufficient number of applicants. The licenses are issued by Wireless Planning and Coordination Wing of DOT. Government of India after passing the test. You can know more details from the website. It is also given for you all. www.hamradio.in.amateur-radio/. Is it clear? Is the lesson clear? Lesson is finished here. The ham radio, the details of radio and communication. The fastest communication in that time was radio, so it is given so much importance. Nowadays it's your mobile phone, isn't it? iPhone 6, iPhone 7. Correct? Teacher is right or wrong? Now we'll go for the glossary part, the meanings part of it. Disaster. It was a big disaster last night. An event resulting in great loss or misfortune, calamity. There was a disaster in August in Al Jubail colony because of rain. Like there was endless disasters, isn't it? Endless disturbance of life, people's homes, everything were destroyed for it, isn't it? Establishments, a structure with building and equipments for business. Appliances, instrument or devices for a specific purpose. Choke, to block. Innovation, a creation resulting from study and experimentation. Adapt, skillful. Clear, children? Terrestrial, adjective, relating to land. Disparate, different in quality or kind. Next is interoperability, the ability to exchange or use information. Blackout, loss of lighting, power off. Wiped out, destroyed largely. Expedition, a journey organized for a particular purpose. Is the lesson clear? Now we'll see the project work. Get into groups and collect information relating to various disasters. Now what all earthquake or flood, what all happened. Now what all information you get from newspaper. It's your homework, children. Listen properly. Collect it, put it in a all. I hope you are maintaining your classwork books, right? What all teacher is giving you project work or homework, glossary, write in the classwork book right from the first lesson neatly. Okay, disaster from newspaper, magazine, books, etc. Each group should work on one disaster. Now what we can do, I know we all are not coming to school, we all are not meeting. What should we do? We should send it me as a homework or a project. Even in your classwork also it should be ready. Same pictures you send me, no problem. Okay, cyclone, tsunami. Now few months back, the flood which came, maybe you'll have newspapers, check it out in your home. The old newspapers, magazine or books, something for flood it will be. It was in our area only, Al Jubail colony, isn't it? What all happened, at least 2 or 3 pictures. All of you should send me the pictures by evening. Okay, and note down what all happened. See this project, how it is. You all send me only the pictures and learn this table. Write it one more time and learn it. Listen to the teacher now. Serial number 1, what is the disaster? Name of the disaster, cyclone or tsunami. Is it natural or man-made? Did we make it? No, it is natural by the nature. God made it. So it is natural disaster. 2 columns are like this. Problem faced, power cut, breakdown in communications, blockage of roads, isn't it? Lack of food and clothing, lack of property, spread of diseases, which are what all problems we faced if we have tsunami or cyclone. Rescue operations, what did the government do or people do to help the people of that place? Evacuation to safer place, they were moved to safe place. Supply of food and clothing, something to eat, isn't it? Health camps, sanitation, clearing roads, how they should go and we should be able to help them, isn't it? Restoration of power, electricity and communication. Distribution of compensation. What all they lost, government will compensate them, isn't it? Second one is the floods. This is also a natural disaster by God. So it comes in the natural disaster. 2 columns are there, man-made. Natural disaster. Name of the disaster, problem faced, then rescue operation. What did they do? Okay, draw this column. If it is not there in the homework study also, you will draw it. Now only learn it. Loss of lives, property, injuries, ecological damage because of floods, isn't it? People, migration of people, people run away from their places to a safe place. Damage to cultural and heritage sites, temples, mosques, all will be get destroyed, isn't it? What did the rescue operation do? Rescue team came, evacuation team with helicopter, supply of dry food. They were given. Third one, continued from the first page. We have earthquake. It's also a natural disaster, isn't it? What happened? Loss of monuments, lives, and trees. Depletion of oxygen. Oxygen goes down. Loss of property. The earth breaks. That is floor, isn't it? Ground. It is earthquake. Rescue operation. What did you do? Rescue team, evacuation team with the helicopter, supply of food, and people are taken to the nearby places to live in safe places. Fire is both the ways. It can be natural also. It can be man-made fire also, isn't it? Near the factories and all. So pollution in environment, problems are faced. Loss of lives and property. The fire break very high, very huge. The nearby houses also get burned and they lose their lives, their properties. Rescue operation, what? How do we get for fire? Fire brigade and fire extinguisher. Clear, children? This columns is disasters. Fifth one, accidents. They may be natural disaster and man-made. Loss of lives and properties. Rescue operation, where do we get rescue? Relief, like the help who comes? Ambulances and hospitals and first aid help these people. Finish the lesson with our homework for today. First one, write the synonym of expedition and terrestrial. Synonym means meaning. Synonym meaning. Now you're a big children, you should know the word. Not meaning, I'll not give you from now onwards in your homework or anything. Synonym means meaning, antonym means opposite. Write the synonyms, cover your classwork books. All the homework should be in classwork books. Okay. Second question, write the ill effects of flood and earthquake and accidents. Write the same in your classwork. Send teacher the picture of it. Okay. Classwork should be completed with all the lessons from first lesson. Thank you, children. Send me your homework by evening 5:30. Assalamu alaikum. Bye. See you in next class.